All right, so get this. AI making art. It's everywhere. Right?
Yeah, it's really exploding.
But today we're going deeper. We're diving into this company, Depix Technologies.
Yeah.
And they are building AI tools specifically for designers, not just like, random AI art generators.
Right.
This is targeted pro-level stuff.
Yeah, exactly. And that's what makes this really interesting. Like, can AI actually make designers better?
Right. Not just replace them, which everyone's, a little scared of.
Right.
But actually enhance, like make them more creative.
Yeah, and faster, more efficient.
So that's what we're going to find out today, looking at Depix.
Exactly. And they've got a whole suite of tools.
Yeah. So their website, that's our main source here, and it lists 5 major tools.
Here.
5. Design Lab, Style Drive, Scene Shift, HDR Lab, and CAD Viz. Each one does something different. But Depix claims they all lead to like this supercharged design workflow.
Yeah, and you can see that even in the names, right? That they're going for that exciting, like, almost superhero vibe.
Totally, totally. So let's break them down one by one.
Okay.
Design Lab. From what they're saying, it's not just about spitting out generic designs.
Yeah.
It's like you feed it your style, your preferences.
It analyzes, like, what you're into.
Exactly. And then it comes up with options based on that. So it's more personalized.
It's like having a superpowered brainstorming partner.
Yeah, exactly. Like, give me 100 logo ideas, but make them me.
Exactly. And that's just one tool. Then you've got Style Drive, which is even wilder.
Okay, yeah, Style Drive. This one, I don't quite get it. Explain it.
So imagine you've got like a mood board, right? A bunch of images, textures, colors that represent a certain style. You feed that to Style Drive,
Okay.
and it analyzes all of it, figures out what that style is, and then, get this, it helps you apply that style consistently across all your other design work.
So like fonts will match the vibe, the colors will all make sense together.
Exactly. No more spending hours trying to find the perfect shade of blue that goes with that one font you love. Style Drive figures it out.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
And then there's Scene Shift and HDR Lab. What are those about?
Scene Shift is like magic, but for 3D. Say you've got a product, right? You've got the 3D model of it. And you need to show it off in different settings, different backgrounds, lighting, for marketing materials or whatever.
Yeah.
Scene Shift lets you do that instantly. No more building virtual sets or spending a fortune on photo shoots. You just swap it around in the software.
Oh, so it's like a virtual photography studio, but specifically for 3D models.
Exactly.
I get you. And HDR Lab.
HDR Lab is your one-click solution for creating those super realistic images.
High dynamic range.
Yep.
Yeah.
Images with incredible detail, amazing depth, the kind of stuff that makes you stop scrolling.
So if you need like really professional looking product shots, this is the tool.
Exactly. They're really trying to cover all the bases.
Yeah, it seems like it. But out of all of these, I'm most curious about CAD Viz. This one feels huge, especially for like product designers, architects, anyone working with 3D models in a serious way.
Oh, absolutely.
Because right now there's this gap, right? You've got these complex CAD models, which look, frankly, kind of ugly.
Yeah. Very functional, not very pretty.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But you need to present them to clients, stakeholders, people who might not understand all the technical stuff.
And that's where CAD Viz comes in.
It takes those CAD models
Yeah.
and turns them into like photorealistic images or even animations.
One click. That's all they advertise. One click, and your CAD model is ready for its close-up.
It's impressive if they can pull it off. Yeah.
Oh, definitely. And I think that's what they're going for, trying to bridge this gap between, like, the technical and the visual.
Totally. But it's clear they're targeting, like, professional designers with all of this, right?
Oh, absolutely.
This isn't really for hobbyists messing around on Canva.
No, this is like high-end stuff. The way they talk about it, the features they focus on, it screams, we get the pressures of professional design.
Like hitting deadlines, iterating quickly, meeting stuff that's actually print ready, not just, something you threw together.
Exactly. So, for our listeners out there who are designers working in these fields, think about it. How could this change your workflow? Could you take on bigger projects, be more experimental if you had tools like this?
Yeah. It really makes you think about the future of design.
Yeah.
Like, is this what it looks like?
And where do designers fit in? What do they get to focus on when all the tedious stuff is automated?
It's a big question.
It is. And one we'll keep exploring as this technology develops.
For sure. And in the meantime, if you're as intrigued by this Depix stuff as we are, head over to their website.
They have some incredible visuals and demos.
Yeah, definitely worth a look. All right, until next time, everyone.